Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the G case ready to unbox for you from House of Cars, Virginia. So we're gonna dive right in here and crack this thing open. All right guys, so G case. The super treasure hunt in this one is the custom Otto, and the regular treasure hunt is the 2 Jet Z. I think that's what they say. It's a gold fantasy car. So we're gonna grab all these out, see if we can get a super or maybe just the regular treasure. Ooh, starting off strong, I see, guys. Not the solar reflex, not so strong, but look at that. The Dino. The Ferrari Dino in the proper color. Heck yeah, red. Love it. Super nice casting. That's going in the good pile. There's a black Roger Dodger. That was from last case. Ooh, the Fiat Beast of Turin. That's an oldie. Old school race car there. And dude, I love this casting of this 33 Ford Hot Rod. Just the tampos and livery on that just looks so good. Another 8 crate, that was from the F case. Summit was an older one. And this is a new one for the G case, guys. This is the Lightning Super Truck race truck. And they actually raced this up Pikes Peak last year. Massive metal wing on that thing. So pretty cool little Ford. Put that in the good pile. I think that might be a new color release for this. I don't think I've seen it in purple before. 2 in a row of the Morgan Super 3. It's from last case. And this one, guys, this is new for the G case, I believe. That 635 CSI. Looking good. Liked it in the white with the BMW colored graphics. Ooh, there it is, guys. 2 Jet Z. So that is your treasure hunt for the G case. You can see it under there. Another fantasy treasure. Not too excited about that, but we'll take it. More excited about that gray Charger Hellcat. That was in the F case. So that's a nice one. And then this was from the F case too. Super awesome black Honda Prelude. Just a clean looking casting there. Some more F case, the green Type R. And I think this is a new one for the G case, well, at least in this color scheme. The 2020 GR Supra. I like that color combo. Very nice. And this was one of my favorite fantasies from the F case, guys. That Screamliner is a cool car. Flipping fast. So it's upside down. The Honda Odyssey from previous case. And a purple Batmobile. The Tune Diora from the last case. Another Lowboy. And another Fiat Beast of Turin. Lots of F case carryover stuff in this one. The T33 Gordon Murray in green. The X-Steam. And this was from F-Case, Lamborghini Centenario. And that nice bright yellow green. Another Prelude, that's awesome. And this is a new one for the F-Case, the Tuned Purple Passion. That is a cool looking tuned mobile. I always like the Purple Passions, but they did a pretty good justice in the tune version. I like it. And this, guys, I really like this El Segundo. It's a matte color and that purple. Just a cool Willys hot rod. Ooh, this is from the F-Case, guys. The black Shelby GT500. I really like that. Various strike from the last case as well. And another Dino, guys. I'll take all these Dinos I can get. That is a cool casting. What else do we got in here? Another purple Barbie van. The Chevy Love, another one of those Summit cars. And this is a new color variation for the 59 Chevy Impala. Started off, I believe it was either early this year, might have been A-Case, or late last year, it was red. But that color combo, I'm a big fan of that bright green and the white. Definitely going in the good pile there. All right, guys, we're halfway there. Time for the bottom. You think there's a Super in there? I'm going to say no, but maybe we'll be surprised. Bouncing base and the pink. That's an oldie from the previous case Type R again. And I think this might be a new color for the Bone Shaker, this case, in that maroon burgundy color. The RD06 from last case. The Mach-E in a new color combo, the race car Mach-E. It's a cool one. And look at that Challenger, guys. That black 70 Challenger, that is a nice color combo there. Digging that one, going in the good pile. Another Batmobile. Charger. And another Lightning Super Truck. Ooh, got a new color on the Pagani Zonda Tuned. It was white on the first round. Now we're getting it in orange. Old Mario Kart. And a Bulletproof. They really want us to have some Gordon Murray green cars for sure. Yeah, that was the highlight of the F-Case, wasn't it? The Super and the regular version of this. We'll take that. I really like that Civic. And another one of my favorites from the F-Case, the La Troca 50s Chevy pickup in green. Another GT500, I'll take it. Another Centenario. And look at this new one for the F-Case, guys. 55 Nomad in a sweet matte black with graphics, white wall wheels. That is a nice one. I like that one. Another Barbie. Oh my gosh, guys. This was like one of the ones from the F-Case that I had to have. So they had this earlier on in the year in chalk gray to start off the year. And I got every single one of these 911s I could find. Now I'm going to have to find every single black one. So they're going all out on the good colors to start off. This Carrera T model. Can't go wrong with black. And then they have the gold wheels with the gold stripe on the side. And typically on a real car, or a real Porsche, they would put this graphic, it would say Porsche right there. But they changed it and made it say Hot Wheels. So I think that's kind of cool. 911T on the back. Super cool casting. And this was a nice one from the F case as well. The 24 Aston Martin Vantage. Cool color scheme there. Another instant boost from the previous cases. The Diora 2 and another Diora tuned. Another GT3 Vantage. Giving us instant boosts today. And the blacked out Quick Chat. There it is, guys. The non-custom auto. So this is the non-treasure hunt version. So no super in this G case. Mid-mill. And another Purple Passion tuned car. Another Civic, we'll take that. That's 3 purple Batmobiles now. Oh my goodness. New for 2026. We got a new fantasy, guys. Hightail Chaser. And our last 3 cars. Another Bouncing Base. And the Ferrari F1 car that came out in F case, and I wish we would have got a couple more. 2 or 3 of this one in this case would have been my preference, but I guess one's better than none. And then last, the El Segundo Rally. All right, guys, so that was the G case for 2026. I'm going to show you all my picks for the good stuff out of here. All right, guys, here are my picks for the G case, starting off with the Impala and the 911, the Nomad, the GT500, and the Prelude, and the Civic. A few of these were from my F case, but still very nice. And the Dino, guys, that's a highlight for sure. I like that Supra. And we did get the treasure hunt, guys. No super. But some decent stuff for the F case. So let me know in the comments what your favorite one was from this case. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next unboxing. Have a good one.